If you love s'mores, but you like them indoors like I do, then this is the recipe for you. I'm making a s'mores pie with only 4 ingredients. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm showing you how to do an indoor s'mores pie with only 4 ingredients. This is super rich and chocolatey and has all those s'mores flavors. Oh, I know you're going to love it. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen.
Okay, we're gonna start off this pie by making ganache. So you're gonna need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Make sure you're using heavy whipping cream. And then you're gonna add 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chip, which is about a bag of chocolate chips. You're gonna heat that in the microwave, and then you're gonna whisk that until the chocolate and the heavy whipping cream melt together. And this is gonna form a ganache that's gonna be the filling of our pie.
Now, because chocolate is like the main ingredient in this recipe, make sure that you get a good quality chocolate, good chocolate chips that are super delicious. I don't like generic chocolate chips. I recommend Trader Joe's or even Guittard or Ghirardelli. Those are my favorite brands. You can use milk or semi-sweet chocolate. This recipe uses my best graham cracker crust recipe. I will link that above and down below. It's a super easy recipe. If you need to see step-by-step how to make it, be sure to check out that video.
Pour that ganache into that pie crust. Now again, you could use a store-bought pie crust here. You don't have to use my pie crust recipe. I love the homemade crusts more, but I know that sometimes you just want something easy, so use a store-bought crust if you want. Then you're going to just spread that ganache inside the pie crust, and then you're going to chill that until it's set. It'll take a couple of hours to overnight. And then once you are ready to serve this, you're going to top it with marshmallows. That's gonna make the gooey s'mores on top. Just top them with as many marshmallows as can fit on the top of the pie.
When it comes to marshmallows, you can use mini marshmallows or large marshmallows. Just buy enough that will cover the top of the pie. Now, when you're toasting those marshmallows, you can do this in the broiler. Just don't walk away from the oven. Just turn it on, pop it in there and watch it, because it will burn very quickly. But the best and my most favorite way to do this is using a kitchen torch. These are super fun. Totally recommend them if you're ever gonna make indoor s'mores or creme brulee. And it's just super fun to just kind of torch the marshmallows to your liking. And then it's time to slice it, and you can see how fudgy and rich that chocolate is and how gooey those marshmallows are. This is the perfect indoor s'more for those indoor girls like me. Leave me a comment, let me know what other s'more recipes you would like to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.